Hey, welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to be solving one of the big issues we've been having here. We want somewhere we can write down our ideas without having just a bunch of loose papers. So what we want to do is put a whiteboard right here in this blank spot. I think it's going to fit perfect, but I want this to be a little fancier than your standard whiteboard. So we're going to make it look nice and add some extra features to it.
So the first thing I did is I went and got the biggest and cheapest whiteboard that I could find. This one is 23 by 35 inches, and I think it's going to fit perfect. Now my plan for this is to not only build a stylish looking frame around the whiteboard, but to also build a built-in sliding shelf that will slide in behind the whiteboard and hide the markers and the erasers and stuff like that.
All right, I'm excited to see how this goes. Hopefully by the end it looks a little better than this. Stay tuned to the end not only to see how it looks, but for some announcements about maybe some giveaways. Also, if you guys could hit like, hit subscribe, send a comment down below, it's much appreciated. Just trying to get this channel growing, so anything you guys can do is much appreciated. All right, let's get back into it.
So I wanted to use these pieces of rough cut barnwood that we just had laying around in the shop. The first step would be to process the frame pieces down. I'm going to make these 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. That'll leave enough room to inlay the whiteboard, as well as still have room for the shelf behind. So now that these frame pieces are their final dimensions, I need to miter the corners and rip slots for the whiteboard to inlay. now that the frame is complete, I need to figure out how this drawer is going to work. I know I want it to come out of the left side, but I need to figure out how big the drawer needs to be. That way I can figure out where to notch the frame piece. So now all the drawer pieces are complete. I obviously just cut these out of 2x4s because they're going to be hidden 99% of the time. So now I need to assemble everything, make sure everything fits, and see if any modifications are needed.
All right, here's the finished drawer. Time to dry fit it and see that everything fits together, and then we're ready for final assembly. function might need a little editing. I wish I would have remembered to drill these holes before I would have put it all together. I drilled the holes too big, so I kind of messed it up. I can always knock these pieces out, make better ones, put them in there. It's not that hard to do. Things held on with 4 screws. All in all, it is a little darker now. It took about 3 hours to make. Not too bad. Looks good. It's going to be functional. Now, I would tell you about some giveaways. So what that is going to entail is we are going to be giving away some stuff that we make on the channel. Cutting boards, little tiny projects, lots of stuff. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. We will announce giveaways when they are here. But for now, I'll see you guys later.